Welcome back, everybody. It is Ronnie here with my lovely super wife, Mel. And we are here to check the contents. And we are here absolutely 100% to give you a coronavirus shopping trip on a budget.
To?
The 99-cent store, the dollar store.
The Dollar
Yes.
Tree.
Whether you call it 99 cents, Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, it's Dollar General, it's a dollar. Everything here is 99 cents. So we're going to try this and see if we were in the zombie apocalypse, the Corona COVID apocalypse, if we could survive. And most people unemployed, I am also that way. And so we're trying to eat on a budget. So we have all this food here that we are going to try. My beautiful wife has been cooking it. We have an oven going, we have a microwave going. Let's get to it.
And the deep fryer, yes.
Okay, so our first order of business is the Fast Bites barbecue chicken sandwich and
a regular cheeseburger.
regular cheeseburger. We all like cheeseburgers. So we're gonna heat this up right now and we'll be right back.
Are you hungry?
I haven't ate all day
Me neither.
in anticipation
I have
of
an
this
appetite.
wonderful, expensive
Dollar
food.
Tree meals. Yay.
Let's go. Okay, so as Mel is gonna cut the cheeseburger and the barbecue chicken sandwich in half, everything we got is from the Dollar Tree. So we have this Donald Duck kiwi strawberry 4-juice cocktail.
They have different flavors. I just chose one.
So that is gonna be what we are going to rinse this
Ooh, that's
amazing stuff down with.
hot. That is hot.
It's hot.
Chicken sandwich. Get off my face. Get off his face. The chicken sandwich is barbecue-y. And we have a cheeseburger. It doesn't look that appetizing to me, but we will see how it is. So Ronnie gets a half a cheeseburger, I get a half, and he gets half of the chicken burger. Is it? I think it. Okay, I thought it was frozen inside, so I touched my face with it. Cheeseburger first. Ready? And pew.
It's 360 calories,
That's a lot of calories for a small burger.
16 grams of protein, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 550 grams of sodium.
It tastes like the square cheese. The square American cheese. It's with the square American cheese and the patty tastes old.
If I don't know what's in it, not super horrible. For a dollar. For a dollar.
I mean, you get what you pay for. It's
Except
all
for
right.
take a little sip.
It's all right, I guess. I wouldn't say that's my favorite.
Well, let's go to the barbecue chicken.
Cheers. Mmm. Barbecue chicken's pretty good. I like that. I'd eat that.
A little better.
Barbecue chicken has about the same amount.
Yeah, very close.
Except for this one has 16 grams of protein and the cheeseburger has, oh, they both have 16 grams. I would rate the barbecue chicken sandwich much better than the cheeseburger. I can do this.
Yeah, I'd give probably the chicken like a 6.5 out of 10 and the cheeseburger about a 5 out of 10. Which means I could still handle it, but I couldn't eat it a lot.
No,
That's me though.
I'm gonna give the cheeseburger a 3. I would eat a different type of cheeseburger, not the Dollar Tree burger. Next, we have, you wanna show these?
We have home style
Papa Luigi's home style.
meatballs, flame broiled.
Mine is Italian style, Ronnie's is
Also flame broiled.
mine is Italian style, Ronnie's home style, and we've got some chicken and vegetable pot stickers.
All 99 cents.
Fortune Avenue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook these, and while we cook these, we're gonna go and move on to some snack items.
Okay, so while we let this stuff cool off, we have some good health veggie straws. Because you need your vegetables during COVID-19.
And this is how I eat my vegetables.
And then your salt. We have home-style yellow round tortilla chips. Let's open these bad dogs up.
Good health. I will eat an orange and yellow one. Cheers. Mmm, mmm, mmm. You know why I like these so much? These veggie straws, because they're sea salted. Sea salt is delicious. What about your chip?
Hard to tell the difference whether that's 99 cents.
That's good. Okay.
It's not bad. So let me grab a green and a yellow.
Ooh. Oh. Oh. These are heavily salted. How much sodium is in this? 110 milligram in 8 chips. About 9 chips is a serving. That's a lot of salt. But knowing if you have high cholesterol, I wouldn't recommend these. But I like them.
I guess these would be good for a party, but the nutrition value, not that great.
They're high in sodium too.
High in carbs, low in dietary fiber, and low in protein.
So in rating, what would you give the straws?
I would give it a 5 out of 10. I would eat it at a party, especially not knowing exactly what they were, besides veggie straws.
I would give that a 6. I like veggie straws.
I was gonna say 7 on the tortilla chips. It's hard to tell the difference of a normal $3 bag tortilla chips, especially if you're putting them in a dip. Yeah, Donald Duck, kiwi, strawberry, I gotta save enough of that.
Yeah.
Not something I would buy again, but it's just sweet enough, it definitely hits the spot.
Especially after eating something salty.
Okay, so next we are trying the Fortune Avenue chicken and vegetable pot stickers.
I fried these.
Because you know you got the American hamburger, if that's even. Now we're going to some Chinese.
Yep. All different flavors. It did not come with a dip. I wish it came with a dip. It probably could be good with some soy sauce, maybe.
Interesting.
That was hot. That was a lot of hot grease just coming on my tongue.
That was hot.
Wow. These are delicious. I really like these. I'm going to give these
not bad at all.
a 9 out of 10. No joke.
No, I'm going to say a 7.
No, I would eat these. 9 out of 10 for sure. Especially fried, deep fried.
Those are the best.
Those are good. I would eat these. I would get these from the Dollar Tree often.
Okay, we'll let our mouths rest and we'll be back with some meatballs. Okay, we are back and we have some meatballs we're going to try. So first we are going to try the Papa Luigi Italian style.
Italian.
See, we got so many different kind of food groups here.
Which one do you know?
Right here's the Italian style.
Italian.
Meatballs.
Those are a no-go. I'd probably give those a 2 out of 10.
I was going to say it too. Also, if for some special reason that's all they had in the store and I was starving, I would eat them. Ugh. Okay.
Next.
Now we're going to the Papa Luigi home style meatballs. Home style, does that mean the regular ones? Let's find out.
They taste almost like the Italian.
Can I go back to the pot stickers? Those are pretty bad.
I actually like the home style.
They're pretty bad.
I would eat the home style over the Italian.
That is also true, but they're still pretty bad.
I like them. I would give a 5 for the home style.
5? Wow.
I would eat the home style. Those are pretty good.
So what are we going to try next?
While you eat a pot sticker. I don't know. What do you want to try?
Let's try some more snack food. Let's let our mouths rest, and we'll be right back.
We have freeze-dried fruit from the Dollar Tree. Gluten-free, no preservatives, all natural, vegan-friendly. Strawberries, and it's on your face, mixed fruit. I do like some freeze-dried fruit. I eat these, but I'm not sure.
I am not sure also.
Let me smell them first. Ho, ho, ho! has a strong strawberry
Let
scent.
me grab the knife. I kind of screwed up a little bit. Didn't do it enough.
You ripped it off wrong, huh?
I ripped it off.
Smell it first. I want to smell. Oh gosh. Strawberries smell
That
a
smells-
lot better. Okay, let's try the strawberries first.
Here. Can we dump it out?
Just no.
No?
Here, I'll give you a strawberry. Strawberry
Ew,
freeze dried.
Ew.
They're freeze-dried.
Okay.
No. No. It's poo-poo.
That's pretty gross. Is there anything else in there besides the strawberry?
No, it's just strawberry. And I got a very sour one too.
I'll give it a 3. It's got a
No. Just no.
No protein, no dietary fiber, 12 grams of sugar,
Well, it's natural sugars because it's a fruit.
19% calcium. Maybe that's how they sold them.
Maybe.
Let me clear my,
Oh man, that was intense. That was
Okay.
very intense. I would never eat that again.
Now this is mixed fruit. We don't want strawberries again.
There's some strawberries in there. What's in there? We got some blackberries.
Looks like blackberries, banana chips.
bananas. And strawberries.
I'm a big fan of blackberries.
Let's try a blackberry.
That is gross.
I need a napkin.
That's not even worthy of a 0.
That's not a blackberry. What did we just eat dog poop or something?
For the sake of it, I'll try some banana.
Let's do the banana. That's better. I could do banana chips. That's kind of like a banana chip.
That's gross too.
That's better.
Absolutely
No go.
disgusting.
I'm gonna say a 1, less than a 1.
Less than a 1.
-1. Wait, is that a 0?
Where's the chicken pot stickers at?
That
Okay.
was just not good at all.
We're gonna let our mouth settle, and then we'll be back again.
Okay, we have more freeze-dried fruit. This one is peach, and Ronnie's got apple slices.
Apple slices.
Now, I love everything apples, and these are actual, look at this, big pieces. Here, we'll switch. I'll take an apple, you take a peach. There we go, I got an apple. Get off the faces, and a peach. All right, here we go. Apple,
Apple.
apple first.
That's gross.
The freeze-dried fruit is so gross.
You know that stuff that as soon as it hits water, it melts?
Yeah,
That's what this is.
yeah. Okay, let's
It's
try
like
the peach.
baked fruit.
Ah, that one tastes like fish! That one, this one, why does it taste like fish? No, I will never buy this kind of drink.
That's even
I
grosser.
like freeze-dried fruit. That's disgusting.
I love dried fruit. Freeze-dried, where's the chicken pot stickers at?
I would rather eat the meatball, the Italian meatball.
We've got just a couple more items, and then we got dessert. We got home-style candy bonbons.
Ooh, I can't wait to try those. Those are coconut flavored.
That's for dessert.
But we have 2 more dinner items to try from the Dollar Tree.
We have a spicy beef Jamaican beef turnover at
Jamaican.
340 calories with 11 grams of protein in it.
This one is, that one's a spicy beef. This one's a jerk chicken.
Don't call me a jerk.
This one is the regular, that's the regular jerk. We're gonna try the regular
Yeah,
jerk
you jerk.
first. Get it off your face.
Ooh, that's still hot.
I don't like the smell. Here we go.
It's weird. What am I eating? What am I eating?
That looks like beef, but it's chicken. Doesn't it look like beef? That's,
Time for some Donald Duck.
yeah. No.
Okay, now we gotta try.
The spicy one. Just throw it in the garbage. Now we're gonna try the spicy Jamaican.
Like it's gonna be any better.
Jamaican. Ready? Spicy. It looks like, look you guys, it looks like beef. It looks like beef.
Well, this
But
is
it's chicken.
This is beef.
Nuh-uh.
Spicy beef.
No, but look. Oh, maybe I was reading the wrong one because this one says this, the regular one is a chicken turnover.
Okay, here comes the beef one.
This is the beef.
Where's the beef?
Has no flavor. There's no flavor. I could
Wow.
taste the Jamaican.
Oh, now it's spicy.
I could taste the Jamaican spice a little bit.
Woo!
You're a wussy. That was nothing.
Yeah, you didn't get no spice.
Oh, yes, I did. My tongue's burning, but I'm not no wussy.
Where's the pot stickers at when you need them? Wow, got it spicy.
I probably would not eat those.
Ever again.
I think it depends on people's taste buds because to me that had really no flavor to it.
Yeah.
The chicken one was a lot better. So for the spicy one, I would give a 2.
Yeah.
The chicken, I would give it 3.
After 2 and 3, that
Yeah.
sounds about right. Fettuccine Alfredo, 99 cents. Here we go.
Gotta get a piece of chicken in there.
Yep, I got chicken.
Did you get a piece of broccoli?
Well, there's only 2 pieces in there.
They need to see this. There's only like 2 pieces of broccoli in there.
Here we go.
I would eat that. I like that. The chicken is a little bit rubbery.
Yeah, that's a little better. I'll give that a 5.
I'm gonna give this a 6. I would eat this. 6 or 7. I definitely would eat this in replace of an actual spending too much money on a chicken Alfredo meal. I actually like it.
We got one more thing.
We do?
Yes, that is it. And that is dessert.
Dessert time.
And then we will tell you our top 2 favorites each. So for dessert, the home style bonbons.
Show it up close. Show it up close.
Coconut Crown Candy Corporation. What color do you want? We got brown, yellow, white, and pink.
I don't know. I'm gonna go with the pink bowl.
Okay, I got a white one. Here we go.
I didn't like the taste at first, but I got past the hard shell. It's nice and soft in the middle with a hard candy shell on the outside.
As a candy connoisseur, I'm only giving that a 5.
I wouldn't eat those again ever. I'll give it a 2.
Not that great. But if you have a sweet tooth and you got nowhere else to turn to, luckily Dollar Tree has so much more to offer than just bonbons.
Listen, we love Dollar Tree. We love their food. I like that the Dollar Tree carries brand names too. For $1.
So, let's do our top 2 each.
Sure.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Here is our top picks. Did I just spit something
You
out?
did. I think you did. That's disgusting.
I did not give enough time.
Slow-mo.
Our top pick was the chicken pot stickers. Number 1 of all the foods we tasted. And then I chose the chips because they tasted like name brand chips.
They do.
I couldn't
They
tell
were
the
pretty good.
difference.
They were pretty good. That would be my 3rd.
That would be your 3rd?
But my 2nd was the barbecue chicken sandwich. I love anything barbecue, so this is kind of like my style. So I would eat this. I probably should go to the Dollar Tree right now and go stack up like about 10 of these and put
Really?
them in my cart. Yeah, that's how much I like them.
Well, nobody else will ever eat them.
No, but let's finish out this video with our last pot sticker. Oh, you totally dug into that.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, leave it in a comment below if you've ever tried Dollar Tree food and eaten on a COVID-19 budget.
What is your favorite Dollar Tree item that you like to eat from Dollar Tree?
And until next time.